What if I told you that you are losing a lot of money in 2026 if you are a developer, investor, doing manual trading and using a centralized system for doing every single trade, analyzing the chart, finding the pinpoint, doing the research of the marketing, finding the perfect cryptocurrency to perform the trade and hit the sell button so you can make the profit. As you all know that in 100% you will have 90% chance of losing the money, only 10% chance you will have making a good profit. And that's the problem we have in this particular trading model, because when you will make the profit, you will have the fun, but you might lose the fun. And it's not a long-term game. And then you will not have the most amount of money. If you look at the industry, who make more money when it's come to a decentralized exchange or building any software? The one who provide the system to the user. So you are a developer, you are an investor, you have the capability to provide the system to others. So those users will use your platform, and when they will make the successful trade, you're going to get your commission. And that's the long-term business. That's 100% profitable business you can have. You can develop the entire ecosystem which facilitate the user to build different condition. You know the pinpoint. Sometimes we have the less flexibility on the centralized system. They have a lot of control, but in your system, the application which you're going to provide, where you will provide all of this flexibility, so user can connect with the protocol, connect with the exchange and perform the trade. So the real business I want to develop, I want you to drag your attention here is that you have to have your own exchange or any kind of system. For example, you have built a trading bot marketplace. We already have that particular project. And this is the same system we have developed for many businesses. And I can see they make very good amount of money at the end of the month. They make a very good amount of money and they have a good user base. So what you have to do, you have to launch your own platform. For example, you can launch your own crypto trading bot marketplace where you will have multiple bots with different strategy, different pool ratio, different category, where you will provide all these details. And your user will come to your marketplace and they will use those bots to perform the trade. And they have more flexibility. They can customize every single thing. So what you can do, when they will perform the trade, when they will have that particular successful trade, you're going to charge the commission. For example, you are getting 100 users and they're making almost 70 to 80 transactions a day. If 50 of them make a successful trade, just imagine that how much money you have made on that particular day. So this is the strategy which you have to follow. You are a developer, you can build this particular system. You are an investor, you can spend small amount to have the system where you can simply promote your project and user will utilize it and you will make the money. So it's always think out of the box. You have to understand that where you will have most of the money. Why these exchanges are getting so much money? If you look at the market cap of Binance, they have tons of money and they have 50 to 60% control over the decentralized finance system we have. Like every transaction you want to do on the Binance chain, it goes through that. If you want to cash it out, it goes through that. If you want, you can have the multiple business model on top of it. So what they are doing, they're selling one business, then they are selling on top of it another one. That's how they are leveraging the entire model. So that's what you have to think, where you have the most amount of money. Again, I'm telling you that it's not always getting job, internship and working in the company. Sometimes you have to build a system which can generate passive income. For example, if you are getting like 100 to 200 trades every single month, just imagine that how much money you can make if you are getting that successful trade. And this number will gradually go up. This number will gradually go up as long as you will get more user. If your trades, if your bots which you have designed, if performing better, you will have more user. And you will have a lot of opportunity to get more businesses. Like you can simply invite promotion, you can get the funding, you can raise capital, you can go with the public, tons of model you can follow. This is what you have to follow in 2026 if you really want to make a good money. Build your own system, become a system provider. Don't need to be entirely dependent on a centralized system like Binance, where users lose their fund, where users get their account blocked and their money get stuck into the platform. So you can simply develop a system where you can say that this particular platform is free. Every single thing is 100% customizable, open protocol. You can come, put your money, connect your wallet and perform the trade. All we're going to do is when you will make a successful profit, not on the trade. When you will make a successful profit, we're going to take a small cut off of it. We'll take a small commission out of that. That's the model you have to include. So when you will come with this strategy, it will generate constant revenue for your business, for yourself. So that's what you have to think. Think out of the box. We have tons of businesses which we can implement with the commission model. We can simply provide our service, user will utilize it and we're going to make the money. So think in that way. In there, you will learn that how the complex system exactly work, how the protocol work, how you can build the entire model if you going through the learning perspective. But if you're going with the money making, then you can simply launch this as a business. This is the real business where you are solving a particular problem. You are making the things easy for the user. You can analyze the chart, and based on that, you can build the system, build the bots with multiple parameters. They will have full control. They can also set the rules and they can perform the trade. So that's what you have to focus. There you will have most of the money. So those who make money, they are the one who build the system for the users. Then you will have a lot of money. That's the thing you have to keep in mind. No matter how much money you are spending on the promotion through your cryptocurrency, if you are building a system, providing to the user, you will make a lot of money. Always you will make a lot of money. I want you to do a research and find it out. Most of the money made by these centralized system, which allow us to perform the trade. So think in that way. It's really powerful. Again, I don't want to extend this video, but you have to understand that where you will have the money. We have the exact feature we have developed for many of our clients. I would suggest you to watch this particular project where we have built this particular system. So when the user will perform the trade, we're going to charge our commission and will come to our wallet and we can cash it out later. So it will happen every time when the user will perform a successful trade. So think in that way. This is the strategy which you have to implement no matter which product you are building. This is the strategy you have to implement every single time whenever you're building any product. So I hope you have understood that what exactly you have to do, how you have to build the strategy. Again, I'm telling you to watch this video in which I have explained every single thing, that how we have built the trading bot marketplace, how we are allowing user to perform the trade, how we have set the price, which is fully flexible. User will have multiple condition. They can set the token category, they can set the models, that what type of trade they want to perform. So this business is really powerful. Provide service to the user. There you will have most of the money. So make sure to watch this video, understand the strategy. It will open up your mind as a developer, as an investor, as a person who want to make a passive income, constant income. So think in that way. Think in that way.